Welcome back to Quick Assist. Is your iPhone storage starting to get full or like the phone starting to get slow? You might want to check your hard drive storage. And then we're going to be able to do an offloading of apps that were not being used. So basically what we're going to want to do is go to settings. From settings, you're going to want to go to general. And then from general, we're going to go to iPhone storage. All right, so as you guys can see, out of the 512 gigabytes in my storage space, over half are just applications. It's not even photos or videos, anything like that. The red means applications. So underneath, you'll see offload unused apps. That's going to save me 42 gigs. And I'm going to go ahead and push enable. So then all the apps I don't use, especially for you people that like go crazy, look at all these apps. Look at all these apps. You might download it, use it a couple times, or like you switch places so you don't use it anymore. You definitely want to use this function, the setting, or use this offload you unused apps. Go ahead and push that. And then this will actually help you start to save storage space. So it doesn't start immediately for everything, although you didn't see, but then the enable apps option went away, the recommendation. And it only activates when your iPhone is low on storage, so it's not considered low enough yet. And when iOS detects apps you haven't used in a long time. So that's going to happen over time. Basically, it's like your iPhone is cleaning itself in the background, but only removing apps you're not actively using. If you tap an app manually and choose offload, it happens instantly for that app. So that could be, like I could go in here, it says offload app. Or let's go ahead and give you an example. You can still, I just want to say, you can still see the offload apps inside your home screen. They just showed like the cloud icon and you can download them anytime again. So let's pick an app. Okay, so there's Acrobat right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back into settings, or I can just move up and then it'll go inside the settings like that. So we're here again in the iPhone storage. And if you forgot how to get there, just go ahead, click settings, get into the general right here, iPhone storage right here. And then we'll see this space. And then as you can see, it went from like earlier it was 322 or something, and then it's starting to go down now already. But let's look for Acrobat. So I'm going to put show all. And then now this is going to show all the apps. I'm going to look for Acrobat. Here it is right here. So it has about 500 megabytes. And I'm going to go ahead and offload this app. Okay, so now we offload the app. And then like say you have like some documents in here, it will be saved. The data is going to be saved on the phone right here. And we'll go right here. And as you can see now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little cloud sign now. Yeah. Okay, so that little cloud sign. Now, if I want to get it back, then I just click it and download it again. But if you don't need that app, so let's see if there's any apps right here. If you don't need that app, you can actually just completely remove it from your home screen. And let me show you another example. The app right here, Shadow Rocket. So we're going to go back in and we're going to look for it. But if your app list is too long, you can actually, down here on Spotlight, go ahead, click that. I'm looking for Shadow. Okay, Shadow Rocket right here. Click that. We're going to offload this app. I don't want to delete it. I might need it still. I want to keep the data. And so we're going to go find it. It's on the iCloud right here. So then we could actually take it off. If you don't want it anymore, if you're organizing your home screen, then go ahead and push edit home screen. You can delete it like that. And then we're going to say remove from home screen, not delete app. It gives you the option to delete the app again. But okay, so there it's gone. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.